Today we are breaking down Jason Tatum's first signature basketball shoe. It's the Tatum 1s. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamster's Kicks. We are breaking down one of personally my most anticipated shoes. I'm a Celtics fan, and the Jason Tatum 1s finally dropped. Been waiting forever for Tatum to get his own signature shoe. He's been hooping in Jordan 35s, 36, 37s, all those shoes, and we finally got a Jordan Tatum 1 signature shoe. And of course I had to cop them. I think I'm going to get every single colorway that comes out, but we're breaking these bad boys down. If you haven't seen a basketball shoe review video from me, we're breaking down traction, cushion, support. I hooped in the shoe. There should be plenty of B-roll in the video today to show you guys me playing in them, as well as like some close-ups of like materials and all that good stuff around on the shoe. Jason Tatum, he's a forward for the Boston Celtics. They are killing it this year. NBA playoffs is about to start, and Jason Tatum's debuted his signature shoe. These bad boys retailed at $120, which is pretty good. I like that Nike and Jordan Brand have kind of come out with some like more budget-friendly basketball shoes. We had like the Luka 1s come out. Those are like, I think, $110. We had the Jordan Zion 2s and 1s. Those are like $130 range. Like pretty good, affordable basketball shoes. And this colorway is the Zoo colorway. Takes nods after Jason Tatum and his son Deuce, loving to go to like the zoo and stuff all the time. So that's kind of where the colorway comes from. Traction pattern is light, not a lot of rubber on the foot, and it's pretty good to play in. The traction pattern is crazy. You can tell they cut off a lot of like excess weight with like having like no rubber on there. They really just have rubber kind of in the mid and the forefoot area, as you can see here, to more help you like explode to the basket. And that's definitely like a playing style of Jason Tatum's, from being on his toes a lot, moving side to side this way and trying to like explode in like crossovers or like movements towards the basket instead of like something back here. So they decided to take rubber out of this back part, and for the most part it's pretty good. I don't think this back like foam outsole, however, is going to be the most durable over time, but the front part of the shoe is phenomenal with that rubber on the different pads. I love how it feels. It's good for like taking off, good to play on your toes, so I did like that aspect of the traction. The cushion is a reinforced foam unit wrapped all around in a plastic frame. That plastic frame wraps around the midsole to help with stability, keeping the shoe intact, as well as support, lateral, medial guardrails, stuff like that. And then you also have a visible air like zoom unit, which is basically the cushion in the shoe. It's kind of crazy because you can literally, this is weird on a shoe, like you can visibly see like every detailed aspect of like the whole system in here. So you can see the air zoom unit here. It's pretty prevalent here. You have the cushion in this back heel part to finish off the cushioning system with that soft cushion there. Air zoom unit here, definitely for that explosive movement towards the rim like I talked about, and I really like it. It felt super nice on foot. It felt like I was held in very good, and I mean you can see all the aspects that go into it, and one of the best things is they're so light. Like they are crazy light shoes. I don't know like the specific like ounces and stuff, but they have got to be one of the lightest basketball shoes because these things are pretty crazy. Materials color-wise, we got some giraffe, zebra, and big cat prints all across the upper. Now they layered that different like textiles and materials. You have those graphic designs back here with the Jordan logo. You have Tatum's signature here on the back heels, whereas his number 0. Tongue, you're gonna have some of those prints as well here with Jason Tatum with the JT. You actually have on the inside of the tongue Deuce, which is his son's name. It's pretty cool aspects and nods there to his family, stuff like that. And the materials on the upper are basically a combination, I would say, of like Jordan 36, 37. 37 was super like textile, like not the best, I would say. And then the 36, you kind of had more of a meshy feel to it. And this kind of adds some more structure, as well as keeping the mesh textile feel along the upper. I like some of the other aspects here with like the foam, and it plays really nice. It's super breathable, so I do love that part of it, and I mean it held you in very good while I played, so I really did like it. The fit is probably my only issue, and they fit pretty weird for a basketball shoe. So if you guys don't know by now, I am, what the freak? So the fit is probably my only issue with these bad boys because they fit super awkward to me, and I do have a wide foot, but I didn't go like up size at all, so I stayed my true to size 11, and they even felt super long. Like they're not like the most narrow, I would say, but they're just like long, and so they fit kind of awkward in some places. And I mean, it kind of has to do with that like molded like just textile upper that's just like basically one unit here. You can visibly see the mesh and the textile there. So I don't know, I would just say go true to size, and maybe it'll fit you better than it fit me, but it is kind of awkward in some places. And support, like I mentioned before in the video, we have kind of a mix to me of the Jordan 36, 37 upper. You have the plastic frame, which goes all around from lateral to the toe to the medial side to help keep you locked in. And I felt really good. I love the low top playing style. I felt like these complemented all aspects of the shoes, as well as a little bit more cushion here in the back heel to keep you supported and locked in here. So overall, just like a crazy combination across the shoe. Traction pattern, 8.5 out of 10. I probably would have went higher, but my only kind of nod with the shoe is this foam is just gonna get torn up. I mean, I played in it today, and you can, this heel, or the toe part right here is kind of already fraying a little bit. Like, it's giving me like Curry Flowtro, like just the flow material, that super soft cushion is just gonna get beat up. So I'm sad they didn't make more of a rubber here on this back part to kind of help with the longevity of the shoe, but overall it's still good. Cushion, 9 out of 10. I think the cushion is super soft, super bouncy, and combined with the traction pads, they do a very good job, as well as the materials. I would give it a 9. I felt like they're lightweight, breathable. They held me in very good in almost all places. A little bit more support here, and then down here with the guardrail, so I did love that. Fit, 7.5 out of 10. I was pretty disappointed in how they fit. Not because they fit like super bad to my foot, but just like the length of them was just kind of awkward. Maybe it'll feel better by playing in them, but that's just how I felt with them. And then the support, we're going 8.5 out of 10, which is pretty high. I love them. I think they fit so well. And for Jason Tatum's first signature shoe, especially Jordan brand, you kind of seen where like ever since like the 33, 34, 35, those Jordans, you've seen them kind of change things, but keep a lot of the like same things with like this hollowed out midfoot area, and they definitely transition some of that into Jason Tatum's shoe with some other nods. You can see how he likes things to fit. So I really like how they play. One of my favorite shoes so far of 2023 for sure. I mean, that's it for the video today, guys. If you guys cop the Tatum ones, let me know down below. I'm so excited for these. I'm probably going to get every colorway in them, but good price, good job, Jordan brand, and we'll see you guys on the next one.